Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to implement a two-factor user authentication experience utilizing a program called Django and in conjunction with a Twilio account that will perform the creation of a log as well as user management system and also send the tokens to the new registered users. So first what we must do is just clone the Git from the terminal, or we can, another option would be to actually import or rather download the zip file which will contain all of the code to actually install the program here in the system. But for right now, assuming that we do have internet connection, another option would be just to go directly to the Git. So using the code that's provided in the first step of the help file, just copy it and paste it here, or run that. And so it already exists in mine, that's okay. So what I'll do is just cd into the actual account, and that's actually going to be account security Django. So I'll just paste it. So here we are, and we'll just get a list file of list of everything that's in there. And just to make sure that if you wanted to, for example, make a copy of the environment file, you can do that by taking from, let's see, it's already installed actually, so we'll skip step 3. But we'll go ahead and make a copy of the environment file just to show you how that works if needed. So I'll nano into that. And it looks like, yes, so this is consistent with the code, so nothing here is fresh. In case you have to do that, however, I did provide in the highlighted in step 4 how to actually insert that. So what you could do is just, you can delete here if you wanted to, or you can just depending on your system, you may be able to copy and paste this long list of this key and SID and token and the verification SID as well. So we'll just go back and then we'll skip ahead to step 5, which is going to be the make serve setup. I'll go ahead and run that just to make sure everything's fine with that portion here. Okay, so when we get here, we're actually activating the environment, and then now we're prepared to go to step 6, which does show that we are getting an active environment here at this point. So now we're going to type in step 6, it says to type in make serve. So I press enter, make serve, and now it shows that the development server is ready. Looks like localhost 8000. So I'll open up the browser here into the window. So I had one running here just a while ago, but it's still there. Basically, you just type in this URL. It should be HTTP localhost 8000, and here we are. So now once we reach this first page here, we're going to press Authy to FA, and I'm going to go ahead and register myself, Robert Fajardo. This is my email address, my fun one. Here I'm just going to type in 1 and the phone number. This is a kind of a local number here, and I'll make a little password, 123. There's no limitation on password, by the way. I'll say it's already taken. Let me go ahead and just change it up here. So for some, it hasn't erased it yet, so I'll go ahead and go there. Okay. And now we decide which method of verification we would like to perform. For today, I'm going to press the SMS, and then assuming my phone number is correct, it should text me soon, which it just did. So the number I just received is 2502750. So it's using the I'll go ahead and type that in again. 2502750. Great. Now I'm going to press verify. And now it says that I'm currently I'm a new member. So it provides me some additional links. This is actually part of the HTML and some of the design code that's included with the software, with the program. So for right now, what I'll do is log out, and just to test my ability to log in, I'll go ahead and use the same username I created, and then my password, and let's see if it works. And here's my two-factor authentication. I request an SMS, and should be getting a new one. Yeah, I just got a new one, and that number is 5380986. So the algorithm generates these tokens just to log in here. So it does work as far as logging in. Now I'll go to the console. Okay, so this is the activity so far, and this shows the activity we performed today. It looks like July 16th. It is capturing some of the login and logout, and as well as the two-factor and token generation as well. So just to see how it works within the program. I'll move this out of the way, and so I can show you a little bit of the console. So this is the Twilio console that I built recently, and yeah, so I will go down to the Authy application, and so now it shows my two-factor. Looks like I now have 3 members instead of 2. I had 2 previously. So go to my applications, and so I'll go to my application. Okay, so here, my two-factor application. So it shows that now I have registered myself. Let me go into mine using that email. So here I am. That gives me a unique Authy ID code, and there's my email and number. And I can perform some additional management level. Maybe I can start sending out notifications to the users, provides some additional details that I plan to dive into eventually. And this is where I'm able to get access to the keys. They're one-time access typically, and it's stored. So that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of give you a brief overview of the program. And again, this is open software. You can make some. I've made some minor changes from the program. In addition to providing the SID, I kind of made some adjustments to the HTML. But it should look very familiar. It should look very similar to the original build. So thank you again for your time, and I hope you enjoy.